I've been walking through shadows for far too long, chasing echoes of a love that always felt wrong. But you're the sunrise I never thought I'd find, and now your light is burning through my mind. Lost in your light, I can finally see the world feels softer when you're with me. Every doubt I had begins to fade in the glow of the love we made. Yeah, yeah. Oh, your smile paints colors I've never known. Your voice feels like a place I can call home. And every time you take my hand, it's like I'm learning how to stand. I used to be afraid of the fire inside, but now it's warm, it doesn't hide. With you, even the dark feels right. Even the night carries light. Lost in your light, I'm not afraid to stay. You burn the fears I can't throw away. Every shadow in me turns to gold, with a story only we could hold. Oh, I've been chasing something I couldn't name, and now I see it was you all the same. Your love is a song I've been waiting to sing, a freedom only you could bring. If the world falls down, let it be. I'll be safe if you're with me. Your light is more than the sun could give. It's the reason I want to live. Lost in your light, I found my way. Even when the skies turn gray, I walk with you through fire and rain. Your light will guide me home again. Oh, lost in your light, I can finally see the world feels softer when you're with me. Every doubt I had begins to fade in the glow of the love we made.